second thing I would encourage people to do who want to build the foundation of a strong career is to take complete ownership of their personal growth and the upgrading of their skills. Complete ownership. The onus of developing and becoming a better person than who you are today does not lie with your boss, does not lie with the organization. Yes, you'll find resources, you'll find people who are willing to help, but it must come from within you. You must understand that it is you who is responsible for reinvesting in the brand that you are by upgrading your skills. Quoting Jim Rohn once again, he said, you have two choices. Either modify your dreams or magnify your skills. Either modify your dreams or magnify your skills. And in this ever-changing, highly competitive world, I think we've got to keep upgrading your skills. So youngsters, after they graduate and they join their first jobs or their second jobs, shouldn't just feel, okay, my job is done. I'm now here with this prestigious organization and that's it. Whatever I needed to learn, I've learned already and I've just got to make use of it now. I disagree with that. One must continuously look for new skills, new ideas, new diverse people from whom you can learn and exchange ideas. And the responsibility of doing this must be with oneself. One's got to understand that a successful career is not built on pure luck. Although, for people that we dislike, we do like to say, that guy was lucky and hence he got these opportunities. Now, I love the definition of good luck by the ancient Greek philosopher Seneca. This is how he defined good luck. He said, good luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunities. Good luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunities. So people who have the ability to prepare for opportunities that are not yet visible, I think if you can master that skill, you have just started the process of your personal self-growth will take you to the next level. So don't wait for opportunities to come to you and then you begin your personal growth. I think personal growth is an internal process first. And I guarantee you, this is my promise to you, if internal growth has happened within you, if you're growing internally, external growth has to match it. If not today, in a month's time or in a few months' time, it's got to happen. It is law. If internally you have become a better person, a more richer person, a more dynamic person than you were before, the outside world has to respond.